Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to turn on certain notifications while keeping others disabled. These steps will be pretty much the same on mobile as they are on desktop. First, you're going to go to Tipsy's bar at the top or the server name and click on it. Next, you're going to go to notification settings. If you don't want any notifications at all, you can just use the mute function right here. When the server's muted, note you will not get any notifications when someone mentions you either. See how you cannot even click these options. These become irrelevant. I don't know why you can still click on these. You can choose your mute duration to be for a short period of time or indefinitely. I do want some notifications, but not all, so instead of nothing, I'm going to leave mentions on, and I recommend all bartenders leave mentions on, or you will not be alerted if someone does @bartender. Same for 80 proof and 50 proof. If you have this turned off, you will not be notified. You can also choose to suppress the role mentioned specifically right here. But like I said, I'm going to leave them on, so I'm going to leave that disabled. However, I do not want to be notified for @everyone or @here, so I'm going to turn this function on. And I also want notifications on my phone and my iPad, so I'm going to leave mobile push notifications on as well. But let's say you want notifications, all notifications for a certain channel. You can come down here to the overrides, choose the specific channel you want, and you can choose if you want all, just mentions, or nothing. So if you want all streaming notifications, you can turn that one on. If you want no NSFW notifications, you can just disable that here. And you can see every channel will be here. So you can choose anyone you want and decide how you want to do that.